Squeeze the shrimp paste onto wonton wrappers, fold them in half, slowly pinch the edges to seal tightly, then gently stretch them open. Don't pull too hard or they'll tear, just pop them straight into a pan. Drizzle a little cooking oil into the pan. Mix 1 spoonful of cornstarch with 6 spoonfuls of water until smooth, then pour it into the pan. Cover the pan with a lid, turn to medium heat and simmer for about 4 minutes. Sprinkle some chopped green onions and black sesame seeds on top. This pot sticker style shrimp paste is so good. Thin, crispy outer layer, subtle toasted aroma. Give it a try. Squeeze shrimp paste onto wonton wrappers, fold, pinch to seal, then stretch slightly. Boiling water for 3 minutes until done. Mix green onions, a pinch of salt, light soy sauce, black vinegar, sesame oil, and flavor. Then add 3 spoons of wonton cooking water. Pour hot oil over garlic, green onions, and sesame seeds to release aroma. Then add light soy sauce, black vinegar, dark soy sauce, salt, sugar, and chili oil. Divide cooked wontons, half in the soup sauce, half in the cold dressing. This quick, tasty breakfast comes together ready in no time with minimal effort. Go ahead and give it a try. You'll love it.